Okay, welcome to Squid 7902. We are going to do a test of Stationeers with the new green screen in the background. We're just going to start a new world and build a quick little base and see how it goes. So we're going to do, let's say, let's go to Mars. Okay, and we're just going to do a nice, simple, normal difficulty. We're going to use a standard start, and we're going to call it Mars Stream Test. Okay, here we go. Alright, so for those of you who don't know what's going on, we're landing on Mars in a capsule. Obviously ejected from our ship. Up here is our ship. There's our lander pod. And we're out on the planet. There's the sun there. This is our pod with all of our supplies. This is the pod that we came in with a little extra supplies. And we have to make a base and survive. So what we're going to do up here in this area is the helper hints. We're going to open up the menus. 1 opens up your helmet. 3 opens up the interior of your suit. We'll put that over here. This is our jetpack. We're going to open that up. We're going to swap out our mining belt for our tool belt. Move this up here. 6 opens up your tool belt. There's your tool belt. We're going to open up our tool belt. Tool belt's there, mining belt's there, jetpack's there. Uniform is underneath. We'll move that up there. Each of these squares, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, holds various objects that has an internal inventory and controls. Okay, so now we've opened up all our suits. We have access to all of our tools, access to our mining gear, access to our slots in our backpack, and now we're going to start setting up a base. Each of these crates is labeled construction supplies, hydroponic supplies, survival supplies, airlock supplies, and finally electrical supplies. We've got some water here, we've got some oxygen there, and we've got some fuel here. So we're going to need our construction supplies to build a base. So we're going to open up this crate. You can see in here we've got iron frames, which is the base. We got walls, glass sheets, plastic sheets, iron sheets, an auto lathe, and an arc furnace. All of this will become apparent as to their function shortly. We're going to take this atmospherics card and we're going to put it inside this handheld tablet. When you left click on the handheld tablet, it opens up the tablet. It shows you its internal inventory. There's a battery. There's no cartridge in it. Here's the cartridges. We have an atmospherics cartridge, a tracker cartridge, and a network analyzer. The one we're going to use right away is the atmospheric cartridge. That will tell us what's in the atmosphere. Now we're going to grab some iron frames, put them in our inventory. We're going to take these flares, put them in the crate because we're a little tight on space. Always keep your duct tape on you because that's what you need if you break your suit. Then we're going to take some iron sheets, put them in here. Put these cartridges in their place. We don't need them right away. Going to put those there. Going to put that there. Okay. There's the sun peeking over. Time to start building. So, let's pick a relatively flat area. Say right about here is good. And we're going to grab some frames. We're going to put them in our left hand. Now if I hold down shift, you can see my guy there, and there he is. We don't need a light on because it's daytime. That's going to drain our battery, which we need. I have the iron frames in my hand and I'm going to place them. Easier to do it from first person. Okay, so we'll put one down here. Now you see I've just put a frame in the ground. I'm adding more frames as I go, and I'm just going to do a simple 3x3 to start. Okay, now we have our 3x3 framework, we're gonna fill it in by taking some iron sheets and a welder in the left hand, E to switch hands, iron sheets in the right, and we're gonna weld up these frames. Turn on with a right click, left click, hold down, and you can see we put one frame in there, one sheet in there. 2 sheets makes it airtight. Walk on it with 1, not airtight. 2, airtight. So we're just gonna weld this up. We want our base to be airtight because, as I'll show you in a second, we cannot breathe the atmosphere on Mars. Because, put this away, hit G. You can also left click and drag. We're going to put this in our hand here, open it up, and there you go. That's our atmosphere. We have 2.6 kilopascals of pressure. 101 kilopascals of pressure is the pressure on Earth. We only have 95% carbon dioxide, 2% nitrogen, 1% oxygen, and some pollutant. We would die if we were to try to breathe that. So we're going to have to make a place with an atmosphere we can breathe. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to put down some walls, which I didn't grab. You'll find that happens a lot in this game. You'll forget to grab things. There's a lot of back and forth. And I'm going to get myself some walls. I can't see what's going on, so I turn on my light. There's some iron walls. We'll grab them. Turn off my light because I don't want to waste the battery. And we're going to put up some walls. We should put in an entranceway. Let's put it right here. Then we're going to weld that one up too, because we want our entranceway to be airtight. And let's put up some walls. Okay, pick the walls you want. Those are solid walls. There's different types. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a window. We do want windows because I like to see what's going on. So we'll put windows on the outside of the base, all the way around. Oh, we don't want to put it way out there. So you can see each thing is in a cube. And you can rotate it around the cube by pressing the C key and ending up where you want to put it. So we want to put this one on the outside of this internal cube to match the rest. Not out here on the outside or inside of the external cube, because then it won't line up. Okay, and then here we're going to have a door, so we're not going to put anything there. What we're going to do is we're going to put walls around the rest. Wall there. Wall there, and we'll put a roof on it too. Always nice to have a roof. Okay, and then on here we're gonna put glass roof. No glass in it yet. Right now it's just a frame. Oh, did we put a door there? We didn't put a door there. A wall, I should say. Okay, and now we're gonna insert iron sheets into the frames in order to build our windows. If we were just building, you can see there goes the sun. Ooh, a mountain, that's not good, gonna be good for our energy later. Turn on a light so we can see what we're doing. Now you see these walls fill in because they're not windows. Oh, we didn't put any up there either. Gonna have to fix that. Can't have an atmosphere if you have a big hole in the roof. Swap that out. One there, one there. Okay, now we've got our roof. Oh, see how it doesn't line up? I can't live with that. So we're gonna have to fix that. Crowbar, we need a crowbar, it says. And we're gonna need to put those sheets there, and I believe it is the, yep, right. Alright, let's try that again. Why didn't those line up? Is that better? Those look lined up, I think. Let's test it and see. Yes, it is. However, we put up, you guessed it, a wall instead of a window. That's okay. That's why we're here. We're learning. Alrighty. try this one more time. We want a window and a window. Then we're going to put a frame in it. There we go. Now, what good is a window if you don't have glass? So we'll do the whole ceiling first. So we didn't put one in there, did we? We put one? No, we didn't put one there either. Alright, I think we're all good. We can finish it off. If it goes yellow, it needs something. If it doesn't go yellow, like here, it doesn't need something. They put lines in the glass, as you can see, so you can see if you have glass in there, because sometimes it's hard to see. What do we got going on here? Oh, there we go. If you put your pointer right over this corner, it makes it easy. Or easier, I should say. Usually right on the bolt. Alright, so we should theoretically glass, 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 glass. See, we put this different orientation, horizontal, vertical lines. That's because we didn't put it on the same way. Alright, so now we have glass all the way around, solid floor. We can clean up the floor too, because we have a handy dandy miner, which will mine up this dirt. Put it in your left hand, right click to turn it on, hold down the left mouse button, and you're mining. It's just going to clear up this dirt. If there was ore there, we would be picking it up. But there's no ore there. Just some dirt. And now you can see, oh, we got some dirt in our entryway. Don't want to have a dirty entryway. Okay, and let's just put down a frame out here. And we'll just weld this one time. Just so we can walk on it. Oh, we put a wall down there. That's no good. Alright, we're going to have to fix that problem. There we go. There's a frame. See the difference in the sound? That should have been a clue right away if I was paying attention. See, now we can walk on it. Nice, easy. We can mine it all down but still have a surface to walk on. Alright, what do we need now? We got an airtight base. Let's check on the ceiling to make sure we put all our glass in. Best way to do that, just run around on the top. We're good. If you fall through, there's no glass. Okay, so now we've got everything. We're gonna need some doors. In the airlock section of our ship, which is around here somewhere, we should have, yep, 2 doors. Now, this is a problem on Mars at night. Where's the base? Okay, I believe it's in this direction. Remember that. That light is nice and bright. It serves as a good beacon. So here's our entrance. We're going to put in a door right here. We're going to put in a manual door to start and a manual door. Put your pointer on it with a tool in your hand. It'll tell you what you need to do. So welding torch and 1 iron sheet. So we got an iron sheet. We got a welding torch. We got a door. Alright, we got another door. Okay, and there you go. Alright, so that's our base all set up. We'll continue next time. We're going to air it out and we're going to see what we can see. Thanks for watching.